Are you tired of relying on painkillers for your aching joints? What if I told you that nature already has the solution right in your own backyard? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow your own powerful healing herbs at home, including plants that help relieve joint pain naturally. Let's explore 3 amazing plants that can ease inflammation and bring comfort back to your joints. First up is turmeric. This golden spice is a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Its active compound, curcumin, helps reduce swelling, stiffness, and pain in joints, especially for people with arthritis. Whether you add it to your meals or make a soothing turmeric tea, this plant is one of nature's best pain relievers. Next is ginger, a close cousin of turmeric and just as effective. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound known to reduce inflammation and muscle soreness. Drinking ginger tea or using it in your cooking can help improve mobility and reduce chronic joint pain naturally. And finally, Boswellia, also known as frankincense. This ancient herb has been used for centuries to fight inflammation and improve joint flexibility. It works by blocking certain enzymes that trigger pain and swelling, making it a natural remedy for conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. The best part? You can grow all of these healing herbs yourself with the Medicinal Garden Kit, a complete set that lets you cultivate 10 medicinal plants right at home. From joint pain relief to boosting immunity, this kit gives you the power of herbal healing in your own garden. Don't wait for the pain to get worse. Let nature help you heal. Click the link in the description below to grab your Medicinal Garden Kit today and start growing your way to better joint health.